How to scan YouTube QR code on smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to scan the YouTube QR code on your smart television. When you open the YouTube app on your smart TV, sometimes it'll ask you to sign in with a QR code. Here's what you do. Simple and fast. Step 1. Grab your phone. Step 2. Open the camera app. Step 3. Point the camera at the QR code on your TV screen. Step 4. Tap the link that pops up. It'll take you straight to the YouTube login page. From there, sign in using your Google account, and boom, your TV is now linked to your YouTube. You can also control videos from your phone if they're on the same Wi-Fi. If the QR code doesn't work, just go to youtube.com/activate. Enter the code on your TV manually, and that's how you scan the YouTube QR code on your smart television.